Virtual assistants offer different services and their role is ever changing. In fact, a lot is actually dependent on the needs of the client. But then there are certain major categories of virtual assistant services that have come to be regarded as the standard type of virtual assistant services that virtual assistants offer. Some of them include, we're going to discuss them in details. Some of them include administrative support, which includes administrative support. Virtual assistants usually have to take care of email management, calendar scheduling, travel planning, meeting coordination, document preparation, data entry, file organization, and general correspondence. These are like foundational services that appeal to busy professionals who need to delegate routine tasks and manage small operations, small businesses, and small business owners. Then there's also the creative services. This usually encompasses like graphic designs, content creation, video editing, podcast production, photography editing, and presentation designs. And these creative virtual assistants, they use their creative abilities to support clients' marketing and branding needs. They typically support creatives or people in need of an infusion of creative expertise. So, influencers, business owners looking to promote their businesses online, and the likes. Now, there are also people who provide technical services. This include like website maintenance, technical writing, WordPress management, CRM administration, email marketing, and general platform maintenance, or even e-commerce support. Some tasks that require basic coding, software integration, and technical troubleshooting. These technical VAs handle those tasks. These technical services sometimes it commands more like higher rates, and because these virtual assistants position themselves as problem solvers, as people with technical expertise, they're able to earn more. And but then the role requires learning. It requires is a continuous learning process, as because technology is always evolving. They have to move with it. We're in the age of AI now, and everybody's talking about system automations. These guys have to. These people who automate systems fall under technical. You can offer those services as a technical virtual assistant. Oh, I'm a technical virtual assistant, but I automate systems. So, yeah, there are those people. But then you have to keep up with the trend as everything is changing, as new issues are coming in, you're picking up and you're getting better. Okay, so moving on, there's also the marketing and social media service providers, virtual assistants. They cover account management, they handle content calendar creation, strategic development, community engagement, paid advertising support, email marketing, SEO optimization. This is also SEO optimization is also something that a technical VA can do on your website. They also, but these ones, SEO optimization in this case is mostly talking about Instagram or social media optimization. And they also handle analytics reports. So marketing VAs they usually know how to balance creativity with data analysis, and they try to like give you the ROI and all the metrics and analytics and all of that. They are typically high earners too, and they benefit from taking certification courses in learning how to handle platforms like Facebook ads or Google Analytics and the likes. Then there's the financial service VAs. They handle bookkeeping, invoicing, expense tracking, basic payroll, financial report, account management, bank reconciliation, and tax preparation. These people are usually like people with an accounting background, and yeah, they have to like have an accounting background or at least understand basic bookkeeping. They have to be very careful because this is handling a client's money now that we're talking about. They also use tools like QuickBooks. So if you're looking to go into, if you're an accountant looking to offer these services, these are some of the tools you should get used to. Now, customer service VAs handle email, chat support, phone support, ticket management, order processing, frequently asked question creation, because they know the business so well. They can create frequently asked questions because they already work with those systems. They already work with clients and they know customers, sorry, and they know the questions that customers keep asking. So they can help a business compile the frequently asked questions from customers and all of that. They also review and monitor customers' responses, and they handle complaint resolution. Customer service VAs serve as the client's business voice, and this role requires patience, it requires human understanding and communication skills, because a VA's conduct in this role impacts on the client's reputation. It also affects the customer's satisfaction rate. Moving on, there's the project management VAs. They mostly plan, create tax they create tax, they delegate tax, they check the progress, they track progress of tax, they communicate with stakeholders, they are in charge of most times resource allocation, risk mitigation, meeting facilitation, and quality assurance generally. So they provide QA support. And then project management VAs they need to have leadership and strategic thinking abilities. They usually also are high earners, and they're usually employed in organizations where maybe small to medium organizations where they need an operations manager or business administrator, or just a general administrator. So they work as project managers in these businesses. Also, we also have the industry specific VAs like medical doctors, lawyers, people who offer legal services, real estate experts and all of that. They can offer specialized services, support as VAs. So you can meet someone, a lawyer could give you specialized support as a virtual assistant. Okay, so now knowing all this, anybody can be a virtual assistant, anybody can work as a virtual assistant. But one thing you need to understand is you have to learn how to position yourself and create job opportunities for yourself. Find the need that is in the market that people are looking for solutions to. Position yourself, because the internet space is always changing, right? There are people are going to VA roles are not going out of um, out of demand. People are going to look for you or for what you offer. So position yourself and find a way to create value. And in whatever position you are taking, also make sure that you're making profit, and that business or that whatever you're doing is scalable.